Hi all, this is Johanna Osborn. The website that I explored is the K-5 Teaching Resources at k5mathteachingresources.com. This website has many resources for K-5 teachers to use in small groups, at stations, and as independent practice. We have number sense, geometry, and measurement and data areas for us to find some resources. I was recently a part of a workshop where we went through and we learned how to identify high quality materials to use in our classrooms, to supplement or for our curriculum. And so as we went through and we learned how to identify these different things, the resource that we have in our district is Go Math. And so as we looked through, we discovered that Go Math has some gaps in different areas and at different grade levels. So as I'm going through and I'm doing my planning and I'm getting my kids, I'm getting everything ready for instruction, I'm going to identify where those gaps are. And then for me, I'm going to come to this website and find some resources to help fill in those gaps. This website provides us with resources that we can purchase. So we go to the site map, and the site map gives us the different grade levels and the different things that we can purchase. So in 4th grade, I can go and I can find an ebook for numbers to purchase. I'm a journals person. I like to have my kids doing journals. So I can go here. I can see the different things that are included in the download, different tasks covering, and it's all Common Core. So you have to double check and make sure that it's going in depth enough for the Nebraska standards. But when I look at the bundle, so in my math journal bundle, it would show me resources for the journals, provide me with that. It would give me projects, it would give me multiplication and division strategies, and then vocabulary. This would all come in the bundle, and I could use that in my classroom, but this is paid. This is something I have to buy. If I'm wanting to find free resources, because I spend enough money on my classroom anyways and on resources, I can go up to the particular operation that I want. So I'm going to start in number for 4th grade. We go through here, operations and algebraic thinking. These are all of the different activities that are provided for free to use. Some are stations, some are journal things. Numbers has a lot. So the operations, the algebraic thinking, there's a lot of free resources provided here for us teachers. You have to go through and you have to check the different ones and decide which ones are going to benefit your students the most, which ones are in line with what you're doing at that time. So, deciding which resource is going to supplement my instruction, supplement, the instructional materials that I already have the best. That's number, and I'll just show you an example of that. So I go through, let's pick interpreting remainders. Okay, this is the free resource that I can just print off and use. Word problems for interpreting remainders. All of these, I can use this as a scoot, I can use this in my stations, however I want. But this is a good place for us to find some resources for that. So that's numbers. Geometry does not have as many resources, but they are high quality. There's only 6 here, but they are really high quality. So one of the ones that I really like is the regular polygons. Okay, this is a partner activity for our kiddos. It provides them with the shapes to cut out. Again, a print off, and I can just use this right away. Obviously cannot use this as my basal, as my, core instructional materials, but these are wonderful things to supplement. Okay, and so here are measurement and data. I also really like the vocabulary activities. So it gives us 6 different ways to promote effective math vocabulary. And then down here at the bottom, it gives some activities to use within your classroom. So lots of different things to supplement instruction, supplement the instructional materials that we have, our basals. So this is definitely a website that I will promote within my school for those teachers needing those extra resources.